Welcome back to Innovin Foods. Today we are making a dish that's rich, creamy and absolutely delicious. Creamy Malai chicken, perfect for dinner, parties or anytime you crave something special. Start with 150 grams of chicken pieces. Add 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste, half teaspoon of pepper powder, half teaspoon of chili flakes, half teaspoon of salt, 1 chopped green chilli, 1 teaspoon of lemon juice, 1 tablespoon of flour, 1 tablespoon of corn flour, and 1 egg. Mix it all together and marinate for 10 minutes. Did you know Malai means cream in Hindi and symbolizes richness in Indian cooking? This recipe is actually inspired by Mughlai cuisine. Always marinate the chicken for at least 10 minutes to lock in flavor. Now fry on medium heated oil for 7 to 8 minutes until golden brown and crispy. Fry in medium heat to keep it juicy inside. In another pan, add 2 tablespoons of oil and 1 teaspoon of butter. Add 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic. Saute for a few seconds. Don't skip butter, it gives the sauce a velvety texture. Then pour in 1/4 cup of fresh cream. The balance of spices and cream gives it that royal restaurant style flavor. And yes, it tastes even better the next day. Half teaspoon chili flakes, 1/4 teaspoon salt, half teaspoon pepper powder, and 1/4 cup mozzarella cheese. Use freshly grated cheese for the best melt and flavor. Cook for a minute. Chicken is a great source of lean protein. Pepper and chili boost metabolism naturally. Then add the fried chicken. Saute for 2 more minutes until coated in that creamy cheesy goodness. Using fresh cream in moderation adds healthy fats. This dish pairs beautifully with whole wheat roti for a balanced meal. And there you go, rich, creamy Malai chicken ready to melt in your mouth. If you love this recipe, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Innovin Foods. Tell us in the comments what should we make next. Stay tuned and keep cooking with love and flavor.